welcome everyone to be part of this campaign. Hallelujah. It is not just a campaign, but it is a gospel that the Lord expects from us. Hallelujah. Let's join hands together and reach out to the elderly and reach out to the needy, the orphans, and whoever has a need. Hallelujah. Christ has given us. Let's give out. Freely we were given, freely we should what? Give. Hallelujah. So let's join hands and look for anyone who can come in and support this ministry. Hallelujah. So at the end of February, let's all mobilize for Chegonga. There are many other people there. As you all saw last time, there are many needy people in that area. So let's do the best for Feb and go to Chegonga. Hallelujah. We meet in Chegonga.